When taking omega-3 capsules, it is important to follow the directions on the package label. If you have any questions about how to take this medication, consult your doctor or pharmacist. For enteric-coated capsules, swallow them whole. If you are using the chewable form, chew thoroughly before swallowing. If you are taking the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device or spoon. Do not use a regular household spoon as it may not provide the correct dose. Some brands of this medication should be shaken well before each use. If your condition does not improve or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, seek immediate medical attention. Omega-3 capsules may help improve heart health, lower triglycerides, and reduce inflammation. The recommended daily dosage is typically 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams, and it is best to take them with meals to improve absorption. Some potential side effects of omega-3 capsules include a fishy aftertaste, nausea, bloating, or burping. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. However, many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. If your doctor has recommended this product, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks. It's important to inform your doctor if you experience any serious side effects, such as easy bleeding or bruising. While rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug is possible. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as a rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Additionally, if you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking omega-3 fatty acids, it's important to check with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to fish or other ingredients in the product. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if necessary and talk to your doctor about the risks and benefits. If you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before taking omega-3 capsules. When it comes to omega-3 capsules, it's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Omega-3 capsules have many potential benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and supporting brain function. The recommended daily dosage of omega-3 capsules varies depending on individual health needs, so it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. As for the optimal timing, taking omega-3 capsules with a meal that contains fat can help with absorption. If you or someone else has taken too much omega-3 capsule and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. During the course of taking omega-3 capsules, you may be required to undergo certain lab tests or medical examinations, such as cholesterol and liver function tests. It is important to attend all scheduled medical and lab appointments. It is advisable to consult your doctor for further information and guidance on this matter. Omega-3 capsules are usually taken once a day with a meal, at the recommended dosage prescribed by your doctor. It is best to take them at the same time each day to help you remember. The benefits of omega-3 capsules include promoting heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain function. It is important to follow the dosage instructions provided by your doctor and to take the capsules at the optimal time for best results. If you forget to take your omega-3 capsule at the scheduled time, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at the usual time. Avoid taking a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to take the recommended dosage consistently for the best results. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep the omega-3 capsules away from light and moisture, and do not store them in the bathroom or freeze them. Keep them out of reach of children and pets. When you no longer need the product or it has expired, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.